Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, May the 9th. As per usual, this is a little series that'll sort of show you little things and type of things you expect to see from us here at For the Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, I just wanted to cut in here really quickly, tell you about two pre-cuts that we have on sale. Both of these products are usually $38.95. One of them is the Global Brights 2.5 strips from Paintbrush Studios. This product is currently at only $18.95 each, so be sure to check this out. I'll link it in the description below. The other one is the Cherry Twist 10-inch square from Benartex. This is currently at $19.95 each, so be sure to check this one out as well. So you can get both of these at a really good deal right now, so be sure to check these out. Both of the links will be in the description below. And that does it for this week. Thank you all for watching so much. Be sure, like I said in the middle, to check these two out because they are on sale right now. As per usual, everything you saw in this video, including these two, will be linked in the description below. So be sure to check those out. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with a little bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. And we will see you next week.